Welcome to today's video, balancing your chakras with powerful 432 Hz frequencies. Imagine the universe as a grand orchestra. Stars sing, planets hum, everything vibrates with energy. This is the language of frequency. 432 Hz is a special frequency. It resonates with the natural world. It speaks to our very core. This frequency can unlock our potential. It can bring us peace and well-being. We are more than our physical bodies. We have an energy body too. It is called the subtle body. It connects us to the universe. This energy body has 7 main energy centers. They are called chakras. Chakras are like spinning wheels of energy. Each chakra governs specific emotions, behaviors, and parts of the body. When our chakras are balanced, energy flows freely. We feel healthy and vibrant. Our emotions are stable. We connect easily with others. Life feels harmonious and fulfilling. Balanced chakras bring us closer to our true selves. Life can disrupt our energy. Stress, negative thoughts, and unhealthy habits can create blockages in our chakras. These blockages can manifest in various ways. We might experience physical ailments. We might feel emotionally drained, anxious, or lost. Relationships may suffer. Recognizing these signs is the first step to restoring balance. 432 Hz, tuning into the universe's frequency. 432 Hz is often called the Earth's heartbeat. It is a frequency found in nature. Think of the sound of ocean waves or a gentle breeze. This frequency is harmonious and calming. Listening to 432 Hz music can have profound effects. It can soothe the mind. It can help to release tension. It can restore balance to our energy system. Chakra healing with 432 Hz, a journey through the energy centers. Each chakra resonates with a specific color and sound frequency. 432 Hz music can be used to target and balance each chakra. It is like using a tuning fork to fine-tune an instrument. We can use 432 Hz to restore harmony to our entire being. Root chakra, red. Located at the base of the spine, it governs our sense of security and stability. 432 Hz can ground us, promoting feelings of safety and belonging. Sacral chakra, orange. Found below the navel, it is associated with creativity, passion, and sensuality. 432 Hz can help to unlock creative blocks and enhance feelings of pleasure and joy. Solar plexus chakra, yellow, located in the stomach area, it relates to our self-esteem, willpower, and personal power. 432 Hz can boost confidence and help us set healthy boundaries. Heart chakra, green. In the center of the chest, it governs love, compassion, and forgiveness. 432 Hz promotes feelings of love, empathy, and connection. Throat chakra, blue. Located in the throat, it is associated with communication, self-expression, and speaking our truth. 432 Hz can help us to communicate clearly and authentically. Third eye chakra, indigo. Found in the center of the forehead, it relates to intuition, wisdom, and spiritual insight. 432 Hz can enhance our intuition and help us connect with our inner wisdom. Crown chakra, violet. Located at the top of the head, it connects us to the divine universal consciousness. 432 Hz can facilitate spiritual awakening and a sense of oneness. Amplifying the healing binaural beats and 432 Hz. Binaural beats are auditory illusions. They are created by playing 2 slightly different frequencies, one in each ear. Our brain processes these frequencies. It creates a third frequency, a binaural beat. This beat can alter our brainwave state. It can induce relaxation, focus, or even sleep. When combined with 432 Hz music, binaural beats enhance the healing effects. They can deepen relaxation and promote spiritual exploration. Many online resources offer binaural beats combined with 432 Hz music. Experiment to find what resonates with you. A moment of alignment guided meditation with 432 Hz. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths. Visualize a warm, healing light. Let it flow through your body. Starting at the base of your spine, bring your attention to each chakra. Visualize its color. Imagine it spinning in harmony, with the 432 Hz music. Continue up through each chakra, allowing the music to restore balance and harmony. This simple practice can be incredibly powerful. It can shift your energy and promote deep relaxation. Integrating harmony into daily life. Practical tips: listen to 432 Hz music. Incorporate it into your daily routine during meditation, yoga, or simply as background music. Explore binaural beats. Experiment with different frequencies to find what works best for you. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature, tuning into the natural frequencies of the earth. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. Cultivate positive habits. Engage in activities that bring you joy and nourish your soul. Embark on your journey to wholeness. The journey to chakra balancing is a personal one. It is about listening to your body. It is about honoring your energy. 432 Hz is a powerful tool. It can guide you towards greater harmony and well-being. Begin your exploration. Open yourself to the transformative power of sound. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.